All right, thank you to the company for gifting us this adjustable window screen. This thing is really cool. You first want to make sure that it is going to be pretty tough on the expansion, but you just got to work with it. So check to make sure the size when it is fully expanded fits into your window before you buy. That is step number one. Then number two, I don't have it, or I have a screen, but I took my screen out just to show you how this one works. So here we're going to adjust it to where it's going to fit inside. We need a little bit longer. Super easy to do. Need a little bit smaller. I'm going to adjust it to where it fits just right perfectly in there. I'm going to pull it just a little bit more. There we go. I would not recommend putting this in a kid's room because they could open the window and then crawl out. But all you have to do is adjust it and then just close the window, and you have a little screen there to keep out the bugs and the critters. And then, of course, before we would go to bed, we would definitely take this out to make sure the window was fully down and locked. But it is nice to have if you want to have the window open and you're in a place where you don't have a screen. So if you're looking for a way to keep your windows open, but you don't have a window screen, this would be a good way that you could have some fresh air in the house and keep the critters out. So thank you again to the company for gifting this adjustable window screen to us. If you're looking for one, this would be one that I would definitely recommend you check out.